We meet again.
We meet again. And by the way, your first interview for Bandish was with me.
Yes, that is true. It was. And I will
So
never forget that.
I am glad because a lot has changed since then, because now you are the most wanted man, the poster boy of cool. तो मैं आपके बारे में research कर रही थी, तो पहली बताओ क्या introduction आया आपके बारे में? Meet Ritwik Bhaumik, the man whose smile is strumming our heartstrings. How's it? कैसा चल रहा है?
Where is this? Why haven't I read this?
अपने को Google करो, लगता है आप अपने को Google नहीं करते हो.
नहीं तो बड़ा बढ़िया चल रहा है. It's going really well. And you remember, you were the first one to interview me. And here we are. And so it's been a great month and a half. And it's just out of the world. This feeling is something else. So I'm just enjoying it. I'm basking in the love that I'm getting. And I'm really.
And a lot of love coming your way. So how has life changed for Ritwik Bhaumik, pre-Bandish Bandit and post-Bandish Bandits?
It hasn't changed at all, actually, because see, first of all, we're all locked up at home. So I don't know what's happening out there in the world. But all the kind of love that I'm getting through my cellular device or the laptop, through the internet, basically, where I can gauge if people are liking the show, people are liking my work or disliking my work or whatever they're thinking about me or my work. I can only gauge it through this square that I have in front of me right now. But other than that, nothing has changed. I guess I'm busier on my phone than I used to be or I like to be. But it's good. As long as I'm busy, I'm happy. It's nice. And yeah, that's it. Otherwise, life is the same. I'm really happier than the previous few months, but life is the same.
You're saying life is the same. I don't think life is going to be the same anymore, because you know the upside of fame. So are you geared up for that?
I was geared up for that from years now. I've been waiting. Ki kab hoga? And now that it's happening, we're all stuck at home. So I don't know. I remember somebody asking me that, do you get recognized and do you get thronged by people when you step out? I had to say that firstly, I don't step out. Secondly, if and when I do, I have to go wear a mask and walk around. So अब आंखों से लोग पहचान ले, वो उतना फेम तो आया नहीं. So I don't know when that's going to happen, but let's see.
वो भी आ जाएगा. And I remember interviewing Siddharth Malhotra, and he said the only good thing about fame is now when you make reservations, at restaurants, you're immediately given a table. So what is that you want for yourself should change once you're known?
I don't know. Is there a way to beat traffic? is there a way that people would see, अरे ये तो वो है, हटाओ गाड़ी हटा दो, ये तो नहीं होने वाला, पता नहीं. But that is one thing I don't know if there's a lot of traffic right now outside, but Bombay has always, I've been in Bangalore also for many years, so Bangalore also has a lot of traffic, but traffic really gets to me, man. So अगर वो हो जाए, then I'll be like, हाँ, I'm popular.
वो भी हो जाएगा, since you manifested so much. So honestly, tell me, what do you think worked? Because a lot of times people, I'll ask this question later, but anyways, you tell me what worked. What worked?
In the sense, what worked for me?
For Bandish Bandit, for Radhe, for all of you, what is that one thing that worked?
I think there are a couple of things that, from what I've understood, why the show has worked and how the show has worked or how we've been liked and why. Firstly, the whole lockdown situation. That itself has, there's a lot of curse to it, but it has come as a boon to us and our show, because a lot of people are at home, they're bored, they need to be entertained, and it's a great time to offer any form of entertainment to them. So I think firstly that, and secondly the saturation people have had from all the crime dramas. I guess that has been, so we have come as a breather, like it's a breath of fresh air, and people are liking it like this. People are hoping, I'm hoping that people are liking it because there's music in it, there's romance in it, there's family drama in it, and it's something that we're not watching very regularly. Even if we are, it's layered under the structure of crime dramas or thrillers. So this was a very breezy watch. It was an easy watch. So I guess that worked for us. And what else? Yeah, I think these two things really work for us. But most importantly, I think Shankar Ehsaan Roy's music. Even if somebody is not watching the show, if they hear one song, they would still turn around and say, ye gana kaun sa hai? And then probably they'll come and watch the show. So these three things definitely work for us, I guess.
So that the question I'm coming to is, many times people like your fandom is crazy. The girls are literally like going crazy. अगर ये लॉकडाउन नहीं होता, वो जो एल्विस प्रेस्ली की गाड़ी के साथ होता था ना, लिपस्टिक
नहीं
मार्क्स होते, वो
नहीं
आपके साथ भी हो जाता. अगर look at you. So sometimes it's always the real persona. You fall in love with the character. So if you want to
correct,
tell the
correct.
ladies, राधे और ऋत्विक, are they alike or are they different? आप क्या बोलोगे? और is राधे ऋत्विक, ऋत्विक राधे कैसे?
No, so I think for people who've been following me from some time now, and especially even if it's after the show, it's been at least close to a month that they've been seeing what I do on social media and so on and so forth. I think by now they've kind of gauged कि ये अलग है, ये पूरी तरीके से राधे तो है नहीं. But I love because I remember even saying in a lot of interviews that Radhe and I are poles apart. Like I'm not from his world. I do not belong to his ideology. Not most of them at least. But there are a lot of things that are similar between us is because, I mean, those are the things that actually helped me play Radhe, because I could find those traits in me. The kind of love I have for my work, or the way I look up to few people and I can do anything for them, and just to earn their respect and their love, and just to make sure that in here I feel like I'm doing good, personally and professionally. Those things I do connect with Radhe. I do understand why he's like that, and in many ways, I'm like that too. But at the same time, we're just like I'm not the the G.
Now we'll have to wait for your
नहीं है
next
मुझ
show.
में
उसमें maybe you can play
yeah.
one of those, like Shah Rukh Khan in Dar or something, Bazigar. And since
I
he's your...
I would love to. I would love to, since he's my guest. Yes, I love that man. I've grown up watching him, and yeah, I mean, actually, I can't even say it'll take me a couple of lifetimes to be him because कितना भी कोशिश कर लो, कितने भी जन्म ले लो, nobody's ever going to be Shah Rukh Khan. But yeah, but I would love to. I genuinely want to just have a variety of characters that I can play. So that's all. Whether that's that's put into the bracket of a Hrithik Roshan film or a Ranveer Kapoor film or a Shah Rukh Khan film, I'm happy. You put them in their brackets, it's fine as long as I'm like everybody. I can't be like one person. So that is still there.
And that's the beauty of being an actor. And, Anand had said a very interesting thing, which we spoke about also, that when you and Shreya were auditioned, they were not focusing on your social media presence. They just wanted two perfect characters. Now your social media presence has also increased. And you're also, everyone knows Hrithik Bhaumik, but what is that one thing you want to maintain further on? Because sometimes, it influences people, it influences you also. What is that one thing you want going forward? What it should be like?
I really hope and wish that people still cast me or give me work only because they think I can do it, or only because they think that I fit the part. Now that I have a little bit of social media traction, I hope that never becomes the reason, because actually it becomes very evident, when somebody casts you, why they've cast you.
True.
It becomes quite evident while you're working on the project, becomes very evident. So when we signed on Bandish, at that point we never asked him. Like I remember asking Anand sir, I want to understand that I've been auditioning for so long, but I've never asked the director, what did you see in my audition that you liked?
Yeah.
And why did I crack the part? Because I knew, it can't be social media traction because we had none. It can't be previous work because none of my previous work really boomed or became anything. I was doing small bits here and there. So what was the reason for you to call me for this test and liking my test? So what did you like? I said something so beautiful, and I really hope and wish that everybody looks at an audition like that, but it's a rarity because he's an actor himself. I guess that's where he comes from. He said, you know what, Hrithik, it's very simple. When you look at an audition, you know that it's a lie. The actor who's performing is lying. The people who've written it's a lie. It's a lie. It's not anybody's truth. It's a lie. And you're performing, you're trying to be somebody. So never ever look for this guy has to be the character. You can't be the character. You've just read the script, you're doing an audition. He said, what I really look for is the amount of truth the person who's giving me that lie brings into the lie. And that was a beautiful thing to say. And he said that there was a lot of truth in the scene that you were doing. And I know that it's a lie because I've written that scene. I know you're not Radhe. The whole world knows you're Hrithik, you're not Radhe. But the amount of truth you can bring into Radhe's lie is exactly what really works. And that's what you brought. And I was like, wow.
Awesome.
I mean, I've never seen this perspective of looking at somebody's performance, because at the end of the day, for somebody to believe that I'm Radhe, for people to actually message me saying, hi, Radhe, that means they've actually bought my life,
Yeah.
and they somehow found some truth in it, which they've connected with, and which is really obviously also the character is written in such an aspirational way. It's truly a character to look up to at times. So people have really looked up to it, and people have gotten inspired by it, and I guess that's what worked. Again, coming back to your what worked question, yeah.
Yeah. And talking about lies, which is the biggest one you've told, or which is one lie you frequently tell?
What is the biggest lie I've told? I don't know. I frequently tell people I'm a very good actor.
चलो,
So,
या वो तो अब lie नहीं है, उसको निकालो.
no, I'm going to confess to this, and I hate this, but I'm going to confess to this, that many a times people, we've been taught, while we've been brought up, and even the school that I went to was a boys' school, and they were creating gentlemen in that school in Bangalore. So we've always been told return the compliment. Whenever somebody compliments you, you've got to return the compliment. And I, out of habit, always do that. I always return the compliment, but probably 90% of the time I don't mean it. So that's all.
चलो, good. Good. I have not been complimented by him so far.
No, but 90%, 10% of the time, I'm like, if I tell you, which I did tell you in the previous one, and I'm going to repeat it again, that I love doing interviews with you. I genuinely do. Because not just because you were the first one who interviewed us, but you always make sure that it's a different approach to talking to a person, and I love
am
that.
so glad. Thank you so much. And we have Shah Rukh Khan in common. So which is that one movie of Shah Rukh Khan's you want to recreate or ask people to remake for you?
Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na.
Hey, that's my favorite.
It
Sunil
needs to
is
be
the
made in
best
2020.
character, yeah.
That story is eternal, Sunil's character and the storyline is going to be it's going to have importance in the society forever. It is never going to die out.
Agree with you.
The flaws of being a loser, the flaws of being an overtly confident because your insecurities are trying to be pushed down, the way Sunil is. That character is never going to go out of time, so that needs to be made again. It's been what? Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na was 1993.
I was in college, yeah, 1991, 1990, 1991, 92, around that
92,
time.
93, yeah.
Yeah,
So it's been 27, 28 years.
Yeah. So Shah Rukh Khan
needs to be
himself
made
said
again.
it's his favorite film. If he could show a movie to his mom, would be this one. He said, but nobody's making it. So maybe we should, वो है ना Om Shanti Om का dialogue. जब किसी चीज की इतनी चाह होती है तो कायनात तुम्हें देती है. So we are manifesting this right here. And if you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be? What would it be?
I guess there was one thing that I always wanted to change about myself is I was very uptight about my own beliefs. And I was very keen है जो मैं सोचता हूँ वही सही है, which I've started changing already. It's been a couple of years I've worked on it, and I've become more accepting towards everything around the world. And I've actually turned a sponge now. I absorb everything, and everything affects me. So that has already changed. But what else can I change? I wish I could sing. I wish I could really sing. I really wish I could do that.
चलो वो तो कर सकते हो. And the person you would want to play you in a movie about yourself?
Me. I'm very greedy.
नहीं यार अभी 10, 20 years, 30 years के बाद यार I'm talking about 2050.
I guess there are a lot of, I mean, every young guy would say this, but there are a lot of characters that Ranbir Kapoor has played that I can really relate to. So
Tamasha, Barfi.
Tamasha, Barfi, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, Wake Up Sid, Rockstar, of course. So, Wake Up Sid and Ye Jawani Hai Diwani mostly for me because I had to wake up someday. And when I straight away turned into Bunny at some point where I became a workaholic and nothing else mattered to me. But I'm speaking like I'm 40 years old. But in the past 10 years, whatever experience I've had, I've connected with these parts.
Also, your bad habit. Is that the same thing about complimenting people?
No, it would be answering calls. I'm very lazy with that. I wish I get more diligent about talking to people on the phone. But see, if you're in front of me, I love talking. I have no issues. I can go on for hours. But on the phone, I get very bored. But yeah, I guess I'll get better at that.
And also, girls want to know, are you single?
Always. I've always been. And I'll always be.
Arre bhaiya, ladies, no hope. One question you wish reporters would not ask or anchors would not ask?
For your opinion about anything. Especially current affairs, because I truly believe and I'm not saying this because this happened with me. I'm just saying this because I've noticed this in whatever I've seen so far. That people ask what is your opinion, and it never stays at one person's opinion. It becomes why didn't you follow that person's opinion? Why didn't you support this person's opinion? Then you're not asking for his or her opinion. You're asking him or her to support somebody else's. So there's no point. So opinion पूछा ही मत करो.
And how is the new normal treating you? I read somewhere that this is your new normal. I mean, this is your normal anyways.
Yeah. Yeah, where did you read that?
I said after research, yaar, just do Ritwik Bhaumik, so you will just get itna sara.
Oh God. Yeah, but this is my normal. I love being at home. I love being by myself. I love being stuck in my room. But then again, I'm one of those kids, if you ask him not to sit on that couch, he will want to sit on that couch to see why did you ask me not to sit on it. So people have told me, you can't step out. Now I start feeling like, yeah, but I want to step out. Even though generally I don't feel like stepping out. But now I want to go socialize, even though I hate socializing. But yeah, this is my new normal. I mean, this is my normal in general, so I have no complaints.
So the lockdown, you've actually discovered that you could be sociable, huh?
Yeah, exactly. That is very true. That is genuinely, that is very true. That one of the things I found out about myself is that I actually like people, that I like being around people, that I'm not that much of a loner as much as I think, but I enjoy being around people. And now I'm craving to go out and chilling with my friends and, just going for a vacation. But it'll happen soon.
But you're not sounding like me, because I feel the older you get, you stop liking people. There was also a meme that said the older you get, you realize how much you hate people. But
that is exactly what was happening with me until the lockdown happened. The lockdown happened and I felt like, nahi yaar, itse bhi bure nahi hai, chalo baat kar sakte hain.
And a song on loop that keeps playing in your head, it's like an earworm that you have constantly.
So many. But I've been really I've been reminiscing on the songs of Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna recently, and by recently I mean for the past 2 months.
Kabhi Alvida Na.
Yeah, I love that song, and even the title track and Mitwa. That album, I guess that album has just been playing on loop in my mind. So
maybe you'll just have that Shah Rukh Khan Mitwa moment, in a stadium, and hands played out.
I've always dreamt, I told this to Shankar sir also one day that, sir, it was my dream to be in New York between buildings, spreading my arms wide and lip syncing to a Shankar Ehsaan Loy song. I said, Jodhpur is good enough for me and doing these movements is good enough for me as long as I was lip syncing to your song, because I was just so happy. And it truly, I believe in the fact that if you really, really want something, अगर किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात से तुमसे मिलाने में लग जाती है, which is such a fantastic line, because I genuinely wanted so many things, to be in my debut, and those things were there. I got to work with Naseer sir, got to lip sync to a Shankar Ehsaan Loy song, पूरा album. So these things were there. It was brilliant.
अब कौन सी हीरोइन चाहिए? तो हमने शाहरुख खान फिक्स कर लिया, हमने आप म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर फिक्स कर लिया, आपके लिए अपना हीरोइन कौन सी चाहिए?
So many. I love Deepika Padukone, I love Katrina Kaif, I love Alia Bhatt. They're all fantastic performers.
So maybe you'll get a movie with all three of them.
आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर.
And we will bond over that soon. And oh God, it's been awesome chatting with you, Ritwik. बस जाते जाते ये बता दो, ये पीछे क्या लगा हुआ है आपके? यहाँ मैं बहुत intrigued हूँ. Photos
these are pictures of The Godfather.
Oh yeah, you're a Brando fan or a Pacino fan?
I'm a Brando fan.
Okay.
And that's Ledger in his favorite performance of his.
Ledger was the best.
The Joker. This is Pulp Fiction. This is poster.
Awesome soundtrack.
And that is actually from a game called Arkham Knight. That's a hologram. If I move the camera, you'll see Batman, and from here you see the Joker.
Wow. Awesome. Lovely chatting with you. And thank you so much. And as they say, you're talking to good times. Keep the good times going as you are.
And I've always had a good time talking with good times. So I really love you guys, and thank you for doing this. And again, I'll just keep hoping that we meet again and again and again.
And जो photo, and जब fan girls आएंगी ना, पहली photo मेरे को भेजना, click करके.
Done. For sure. For sure.
Bye. Thank you, Ritwik.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. Bye, guys.
Bye. Thanks. Bye.